Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make a greeting card for Ramzan. For this I have taken chart paper which I have folded into half. Then using a black pen and a ruler, draw lines. Then take a circular lid or coin and draw as shown. Here I am going to make a moon. Next I am making a lantern. Then using a circular plate, draw as shown. Now I am making some stars. Finally, I am shading using a pencil. You can also color it if you want. I am smudging the pencil shading to get a neat finish. You can write your message inside the card and write Happy Ramzan or Ramzan Mubarak outside. And finally our greeting card for Ramzan is ready. I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.